Good morning, everyone. Just getting to the park. Heading to Big Thunder. Honey. Running and filming with this thing's gonna turn out real shitty. Like trying to fast walk with this thing's gonna be real shitty.
Well, you don't have to be slow, but it might be a longer wait.
So calm still. So calm still. Very quiet at the moment.
Just missed a Main Street vehicle. You want to take a vehicle then if we're not going to walk straight? No, they probably won't wait around.
Well, we can walk straight, honey, but it just can't walk at that fast pace, or it's just going to be a jotty.
It's my Disneyland mode. Like I'm not
I know,
used
that's what I was saying, baby.
slowly walking
That's why I just said something.
and knowing that one of my favorite rides is a 10-minute. I'm like,
I figure if they're not all there right this moment, then we're going to show up probably with the rest.
big rope drop ride. People rope dropping like Fantasyland and
Yeah.
Town and bigger rides and things. Okay, I'm gonna walk behind you.
You can carry your own water. Well, it's gonna go in the trash if you don't want it. Then we'll go to Fantasy.
Mary, toen gaat het goed
Huh?
Gaat het goed
So I'm in San Diego.
This way? This way, right?
Yeah. Well, this way. That's good.
It says Frontierland right over there.
Probably like 50 bucks.
Oh, the ducks. I think I looked back in a video and I was like, oh, ducks I never even saw.
We usually don't really notice them unless I'm sitting down to eat or there's babies. You see that in group of them. Oh, look at that Source and Mickey bubble one. I would have got that one. Oh, shit is hot.
Nobody ropes drops the shooting gallery. Morning.
No, we're
That way.
Got it.
my mom from the news. Yes. Okay. My mom and my mom always do the news together. That's always super easy. Me and my mom do the news
Still saying
together,
10.
and Eva goes on Tiana's.
Alright, hop on in.
Where?
Big Thunder right here.
And then my dad and this is the big thunder line.
Ah, over here. Okay.
I'll sit.
Oh wait, not lightning lane. Sorry,
Where's the
it's the other
video?
side.
Okay. That's Big Thunder.
Oh, the awesome rock work.
I don't know.
Is there any difference?
How many?
5 minutes on Smugglers, but 60 on Rise.
15 was the one you wanted to do.
Well, I want to do both of them.
You want to wait an hour right now or come back to it?
No, we can come back to it, and if anything, use our lightning passes a little later.
Okay. So then what's the plan? You want to double back around to Adventureland now?
Yeah, we can do that.
Or you want to do Pirates?
I'd like to do Pirates first.
All right, well, come on. let's
Oh, it's not that way?
No. Okay. This is just a good shot right here. The train's coming.
What was you hitting on?
It's so cool, right?
Okay, now what do you want to do? What's short?
Get over it. Yeah. one rough weight.
See a boat?
You're right here.
On. And off again.
If you need me to take someone smaller, I can. There's other stuff in there you want out.
I feel bad for so many people. Like they took out of the way of the camera. It's like, ugh. You don't have to. Just go. That like, mine's gonna catch you no matter what you do.
Only the amount of people who don't want to be filmed versus the amount of people who like want to interact with it.
Yeah. Surprised I haven't heard any kids like I did yesterday. Oh, they're YouTubing.
I understand.
Not at this moment.
I don't like it. I don't know.
You love that popcorn smell. Yeah, I want to just say that popcorn every time.